how to fix disconnecting from games on T-Mobile home internet. Hey, everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix frequent disconnections while gaming on T-Mobile home internet. If your online games keep disconnecting or lagging, it's usually because of weak 5G signal, network congestion, Wi-Fi interference, or router settings that aren't optimized for gaming. You might notice sudden drops in matches, high ping, or failed connections, even when other devices seem fine. Don't worry, I'll show you simple ways to stabilize your connection and enjoy smooth gaming without interruptions. Now let's fix it, step by step. Method 1. Reposition your 5G gateway. Place your T-Mobile 5G gateway near a central location or close to a window. Avoid corners, thick walls, or metal objects that block the signal. Even moving the gateway a few feet can significantly reduce game disconnections. Method 2. Use a wired connection. For stable gaming, connect your PC or console directly to the gateway with an Ethernet cable. Wired connections are much more reliable than Wi-Fi and reduce lag spikes. Method 3. Reduce Wi-Fi interference. Keep the gateway away from devices like microwaves, cordless phones, and other routers. Switch your Wi-Fi band to 5 GHz if your device supports it. It's faster and less crowded than 2.4 GHz. Method 4. Optimize router settings. Log into your T-Mobile 5G gateway dashboard, enable features like QoS if available, and prioritize your gaming device. This ensures your console or PC gets the best connection even if others are streaming or downloading. Method 5. Restart and update the gateway. Restart your gateway every few days to refresh the network. Check for firmware updates. Updated software often fixes connectivity bugs. Method 6. Consider a signal booster or external antenna. If you live in a large home or have weak indoor 5G coverage, adding a signal booster or external antenna can improve reception and reduce drops. And that's it. These steps should help reduce disconnections and improve your T-Mobile home internet gaming experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.